Hi kids, how are you all? I hope you all must be fine, right? So today we are going to read for class 4 Science Olympiad. And in class 4 Science Olympiad, which portion we are going to discuss? We are going to discuss the previous year questions of SOM and SO Level 1 exam. Okay, so in our previous session, we have already discussed some questions, and in our today's session, we are going to discuss some more questions. Okay, so are you all ready for it? Yes, so let's get started. Our first question, which of the following statements is incorrect? A. Down feathers of birds keep them warm. B. Wading birds have long legs with spread out toes that help them to walk in water. C. Perching birds have two toes in the front and two toes at the back. D. Flea-sitting birds such as eagle, vulture and hawk have strong, sharp and hooked beaks. Okay, so four statements are there, right? And we have to find out the incorrect one. So the first one, down feathers of birds keep them warm. Yes, this one is correct. Then wading birds have long legs with spread out toes that help them to walk in water. This one is also correct. Perching birds have two toes in front and two toes at the back. No, three in front and one toe at the back. Okay. Flea-sitting birds such as eagle, vulture and hawk have strong, sharp and hooked beak. Yes, this one is also correct. So here correct answer is option C. Got it? Coming to the next question. Unscramble the given letters to find out the name of a synthetic fiber. Four options are there. So we have to unscramble the words and then we have to find the name of a synthetic fibers. So here we will get acrylic, then here lining, then silk, and here it is cotton. Okay, so among all of these, which one is the synthetic fiber? That is the acrylic. That's why correct answer is option A. Coming to the next question, which of the following types of teeth is called tearing tooth? Okay, so four options are there, and here the first one, that is are incisors, then this one canine, this one molar, and this one premolar. Okay, and what we have to find out, which of the following type of teeth is called tearing tooth. So we know that canines are known as tearing teeth, right? So here correct answer is option B. Coming to the next question, study the given relationship based on the type of roots these plants possess and select the option that shows similar relationship. Okay, bean, barley, hibiscus, and the options are A. Eucalyptus, banana, mustard. B. Rice, wheat, maize. C. Onion, guava, beetroot. D. Turnip, carrot, mango. So here we have to find the similar relationship with the given ones. Okay. So if we look into this, bean, it is having taproot system. Barley, fibrous root system. Then hibiscus, again taproot system. So we have to find out the answer in this sequence. Okay, so if we look into the option, then the correct answer is option A, because eucalyptus is having taproot system, banana fibrous root, and mustard taproot system. Okay, coming to the next question, which of the following is an incorrect statement? Options are A. We should not leave toys on the floor after playing. B. We should not mop the bathroom floor after taking bath. C. We should always swim in the presence of an adult. D. We should not consume any medicine on our own. Okay. So here we have to find the incorrect statement. The first statement, we should not leave toys on the floor after playing. This one is correct. We should keep the things in proper place. Okay. We should not leave on the floor. Right. Then second one is, we should not mop the bathroom floor after taking bath. This one is incorrect. We should mop the bathroom floor. Got it? Option C, we should always swim in the presence of an adult. Correct. Okay, we should not do it alone. Then option D, we should not consume any medicine on our own. So this one is also correct. It may be harmful for us. Right. So correct answer is option B. Coming to the next question, a mirror and a glass are placed between a light source and a screen as shown in the given figure. So, which of the following shadows will be formed on the screen? Four options are there. In the three options, different images there, and in last option, that is option D, no shadow will be formed. Okay. So you can see here torch is there, here there is a mirror, there is a glass, and screen is here. Now, if mirror is there, we know mirror does not allow light to pass through it. Okay. So mirror is an opaque substance. It does not allow light to pass through it. So this torchlight, it cannot cross the mirror. That's why on the screen there will be formation of image of mirror only. Okay. So here the correct answer is option C. Coming to the next question, in which of the following rooms of a house the boy shown in the picture must be present? Options are A, kitchen, B, living room, C, study room, D, bathroom. So what is the boy doing here? The boy is brushing the teeth, right? So a basin is there and he is brushing the teeth. So where we brush our teeth? Yes, it is in the bathroom, right? So correct answer is option D, that is the bathroom. Coming to the next question, starting from the first letter, strike out every alternate letter to get the name of a professional and select the correct statement regarding it. Options are A, he supervises and maintains construction projects, for example, roads, bridges, etc. Option B, he uses wet clay to make pots, vases, diyas, etc. Then C, he mends old and torn shoes. D, he treats sick and injured animals. So we have to strike out the letters, alternate letters, right? So we will do that. And what we got? We got cobbler. And what is the means what the cobbler do? Can you tell me? Yes, this one is he mends old and torn shoes, right? So correct answer is option C. Coming to the next question, animal shown here is adapted to live at a very cold places because it has dash. Options are A, capacity to store water in stomach, B, flippers for swimming, C, gills to breathe, D, layer of fat under skin. So the animals who live in very cold places, they have some adaptation in them, right? And what is that adaptation? That is, they have a layer of fat on the skin. Okay. So here the correct answer is option D, that keep their body warm. Coming to the next question, Sakshi and her friends were walking down the road to reach a park. Suddenly her friend Mita fell down and got injured. Which of the following road symbols will help Sakshi to locate the place where Mita should be taken to? Okay. So if someone is injured, okay, so fall down and injured, what we should do? We should take him or her to the hospital, right? So can you tell me among the given option which is the symbol for the hospital? Yes, it is option B, right? Coming to the next question, a river supports a large number of fish in its water. A new chemical factory was established near this river and the fish population was seen to decrease with time. Which point P, Q or R on the graph represent the time when factory was established? Options are A, P, B, Q, C, R, D, either Q or R. So here graph is given by taking time in the x-axis and fish population in the y-axis. So you can see the fish population suddenly it started decreasing at this point, that is at the point Q. So there must something must have happened at the point Q, so that the number of fish is declined. Okay, so if there is means the factory was established, so there is greater chance that from the factory that water, the different things which is coming out of it, it might pollute the river. Okay, and due to the pollution, the fish population started decreasing. So the time when factory was established, that must be this point, that is the Q. So correct answer is option B, that is Q. Coming to the next question, Rohit loves to eat chocolates and his mouth starts watering even on seeing chocolates. What is this water in the mouth called? Options are A, acid, B, saliva, C, mucus, D, tissue. So, do you love chocolate? Yes, everyone loves, right? And when we see our favorite fruit, our mouth starts watering, right? Why? What is that watery substance? That is the saliva. Yes. So here the correct answer is option B, that is saliva. Coming to the next question. Kunika took a green leaf, she bleached and washed it in cold water. Then she added a few drops of iodine on it. What will she observe? Options are A, the leaf turns pink, B, the leaf turns yellow, C, the leaf turns blue black, D, the leaf turns red. So, you know, green leaf, they prepare food, right? What they prepare? They prepare carbohydrate. That is the glucose. Okay. So, when she added few drops of iodine, so the carbohydrate, when it comes in contact with the iodine solution, then it shows the blue black color. Okay, due to the presence of the carbohydrate. So here the correct answer is option C. Coming to the next question, the given diagram shows the shape of the moon on different nights. Okay, this is for 8 January and this is for 15 January. Which one of the following diagram shows the correct shape of the moon on 22nd January? Right? So, you know, after 15 days, the phase of the moon, it is exactly the opposite one. Right? So, 8 January and we are asked about the 22nd January. So, after 14 days, what happens? It will be exactly opposite. So, which one is exactly opposite? That is the option D. Got it? So, option D is the correct answer. And now you can see the different phases of the moon. Okay. Then coming to the next question, study the given food web and select the correct statement regarding it. Bit 1, Q is the food producer. 2, R is both plant and animal eater. 3, R is eaten by P. 4, Q is eaten by P. 5, S is an animal eater. Options are A, 1 and 5 only. B, 2, 3 and 4 only. C, 2 and 4 only. D, 1, 3 and 5 only. Okay. So, we have to find the correct statement here. And here, first one, Q is the producer. No, Q is not the producer because it is consuming some other species. Okay. Then R is both plant and animal eater. Yes, R is both plant and animal eater. Right. So, R is eaten by P. No, R is not eaten by P. P is eaten by R. Okay. Then Q is eaten by P. Yes, Q is eaten by P. S is an animal eater. No. See, S is consumed by both R and Q. Right. So, it cannot be the animal eater. Okay. And Q is consuming S. So, Q is not a food producer. Food producer, they do not consume any other thing in the food web. Okay. So, correct answer is 2 and 4 only. That is option C. Got it, everyone? So, this much for today's session. Let's meet you in the next session. Till then, read mindfully. Practice all the questions properly. Okay. So, meet you soon. Bye-bye, everyone.